Hello and welcome to Lovely English Stories. This story is written for beginner English learners. Ready? Let's get started. A2 English Story. Geoff, the dog. Josie and Jacob have a pet dog. His name is Geoff. He is a Labrador. They had always wanted a dog and were very happy when Geoff joined their family. They take him for walks every evening after work, and every Sunday they go for a long walk in the countryside. They love to spend time together. Geoff's favourite things are walks and cuddles. He loves it when Josie and Jacob give him cuddles. Josie and Jacob didn't want to get just any dog. They wanted to get a dog from a dog shelter. They wanted to give a lovely home to a dog who may not have had a very nice life. Geoff was 4 years old when Josie and Jacob adopted him. He was found in a park. He was very thin and not very healthy. He had not eaten for a long time. He was very stressed. The local dog shelter picked him up and looked after him. After 3 months of good food, walks, and lots of love, Geoff was ready for a new home. Lots of people visited the dog shelter to find a pet for their family, but Geoff was never picked. It made him sad. He is a big dog, and at the time, he used to bark a lot. He barked because he was scared. When Josie and Jacob visited the dog shelter, they took Geoff for a walk. The more time he spent with them, the less he barked. After an hour of walking, he was happier. They went back to visit Geoff 3 times. Each time they took him for a walk and gave him some of his favourite food. He slowly started to trust them. On their 4th visit, they took Geoff home. Now he is such a big part of their lives that they can't imagine life being any other way. He brings them so much happiness. When Geoff first moved into their house, he was a little scared and would sometimes bark at night. But now he is used to the smells and sounds of the house. Now it is his home, too. Now he only barks at the postman, James. But that's what dogs are for, isn't it? Geoff has his own little bed and his own spot where he sits on the sofa. He also likes to sit by the window and watch who passes by. In the summer, he likes to sit in the garden under the trees. He doesn't like the sun very much. He gets too hot. Geoff loves to play with Josie and Jacob. His favourite game is catch. It's very simple. Josie or Jacob throw a tennis ball and Geoff runs after it, catches it, and brings it back. He could play catch for hours and hours. Geoff's favourite place to walk is along the beach. Sometimes, when the weather is nice, Josie and Jacob will wake up early and take Geoff to the seaside. He loves to run in and out of the water. Occasionally, he gets nervous when he sees other dogs, but he is getting better. After a long day at the beach, Josie and Jacob will give Geoff a bath. He loves it. Geoff is now 6 years old and loved by everyone he meets. Everyone, no matter what their age, loves to give Geoff cuddles. He is the friendliest dog you could meet. He was only naughty once. When he first went to his new home, he kept biting the sofa, but he knows he cannot do that anymore. Geoff is a fast learner. Geoff is a happy dog. He has everything a dog could want. The only thing Geoff doesn't like is when Josie and Jacob go away on holiday. Sometimes they can't take him and he has to stay at home. He gets lonely. Josie's mum comes to feed him and take him for walks, but the house is very quiet. When they get back from their holiday, Geoff is always so happy to see them. He jumps up and licks their faces. Josie is pregnant, and she knows that Geoff will be a great friend to their baby. She feels very lucky to have a dog like Geoff. He really is a man and woman's best friend. Have you heard of the English saying, "A dog is a man's best friend"? Do you agree with it? Tell us in the comments below. We hope you enjoyed this lovely English story. Thank you for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.